Should we go look? Let's go. Let's go see. Hold on to the railing. Or sit on your bummy. Let's see. Go ahead.
There's wall presents there.
There sure are. Come on down. Wow.
I think that, oh my
Goodness.
there are a lot of presents there.
Wow. Lola, look, where's your stocking?
Where?
I don't know. Go look.
There it is.
There it is. Is there something inside? Did Santa leave you stuff?
Okay.
There is.
There it is.
Oh, my goodness, that looks pretty big and full.
It sure does.
Yeah, he put full thing.
Wow. Okay, Beaker.
Look, little mouse.
Uh-huh. More little calico critters.
Beaker's whining.
Sure
Yeah,
is.
He wants out.
Hey, Lola, look at there's no cookies left on your plate. That means Santa ate them.
He ate them.
Yeah.
I didn't realize. Whoa.
Yeah,
Chocolate.
I like those.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Mmm. But we can't open them.
Well, you got more stuff in your stocking, it looks like.
I'll see what. Wow, a Little Mermaid set.
Mm-hmm.
A Little Mermaid coloring book. Let's see what's
Oh my goodness.
Lipstick.
lipstick for me.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
There's wild things in here.
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. I love Play-Doh. We have Play-Doh